Long before Mrbeast was making money with Squid Game stunts, he was Jimmy Donaldson, a regular kid who wanted nothing more than to become a successful YouTuber. In many ways, Mrbeast is the quintessential influencer. He began posting videos to YouTube when he was barely a teenager, and years later, he was still grinding his way towards 1 million subscribers. Well, that's not the only shocking thing you heard about him. In today's video, we will be revealing some insane things you don't know about Mrbeast. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 5. Mrbeast Girlfriend. Maddie Spadell is Mrbeast's girlfriend. She is currently 21 years old and was born on March 31st. Since June 2019, they've been dating after meeting on Twitter. Maddie is an Instagram model and social media influencer known for her Instagram account, which features images of fashion, dance, and dogs. It was announced on Mrbeast's Instagram page publicly. Given that neither Maddie nor Jimmy frequently discuss the other, both Maddie and Jimmy tend to keep their connection private. When Maddie revealed her secret relationship with him on Twitter in May 2019, they had been dating for 2 years. Number 4. Mrbeast Merch. Due to his growing popularity, he has started selling merchandise. You can buy t-shirts and hats with the letters MB on them. He is actually still making money off his revenue from YouTube, not merchandising. However, recently he revealed that it's just a way for him to keep people excited about him and watching his videos regularly so they stay interested in what he's doing or going to do next. Nevertheless, Mrbeast does sell some products such as clothing and even an unboxing video with his face printed on several items. Number 3. Mrbeast's net worth. So, how much money does Mrbeast have? It is expected that he will make $24 million in 2020 from his YouTube channel, merchandise sales, and corporate sponsorships with Microsoft and Electronic Arts. According to a reputable source, while Jimmy has yet to make such a declaration, he spends the majority of his video income on new material. He now devotes around $300,000 to one production, up from $10,000 5 years ago. His exploits generally have a charitable bent to them, such as giving money to strangers or adopting an entire shelter of rescue dogs. According to Social Blade, Mrbeast gets at least $3 million each month from YouTube advertising. Number 2. Mrbeast Finger on the App Store. On Saturday, YouTube megastar Jimmy Mrbeast Donaldson kicked off his second Finger on the App contest, a simple yet compelling mobile game in which players must keep their fingers trained on their phone screens for as long as possible. According to Donaldson, Finger on the App got up to 1 million players in its first few minutes, and the number was reduced from 1.2 million to around 1 million over 2 minutes. On Sunday, in an effort to remove cheats, Donaldson activated a mechanism that apparently caused some glitching for those who were playing fairly. When users connected the app with a different finger, he said any losses appeared to be genuinely connection-based or occurred when users selected their fingerprints. He committed to reporting if any problems were discovered during his investigation. Number 1. Mrbeast Phone Number. How can I call Mrbeast? If you look on the internet if someone wants to know, how can I call Mrbeast or what is his phone number, there is no serious information. But still, some people claimed that they called him, probably on a private number, and he was kind enough to answer some questions for them. So according to these claims, it's possible that Jimmy has shared his real phone number with less than 10 people. Also, probably he is changing his phone number every week. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, what are your thoughts about it? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.